Okay, so today is our first day of filming my new nature film. This looks like a good spot.
Yeah, me too. I think this is a great spot for your nature film.
Okay. So how do you want to film it? I'm not quite sure. What do you think, Joe?
I think we should do like a ground shot of the trees.
Okay.
And the animals inside of it.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Okay. Hey, what is that? What the hell is that?
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Joe? Did you just see that? Did you?
What the hell is that?
I don't know. Something was moving. Ugh.
Did I get it?
I don't know.